I'm Steve Boehm, professor of psychology at IUPUI in the Department of Psychology, also director of the undergraduate neuroscience program at IUPUI, and graduate faculty in the addiction neuroscience PhD program at IUPUI. I primarily focus on developmental aspects or developmental determinants of addiction later, and so focus mostly on adolescence. So environmental determinants or environmental stressors during adolescence, what's the impact on later drug use, related behavior, and brain function? And so that's probably the simplest way to put it. My areas of interest have mostly focused on binge drinking or just alcohol, excessive alcohol consumption, and more recently edible THC and the impact of that. But the kind of the under theme of all that is the developmental piece and what how adolescents are responding to that, and how the adolescent brain specifically is responding to those. First and foremost, I'm hoping that the research can better inform what the specific impacts are of adolescent drug and environmental exposure on the brain might be. But I think ultimately the goal for everyone who's in this business is to try to identify and uncover new treatment strategies, whether they be behavioral or brain-based or even pharmacological-based strategies for treatment of addiction. And we have a long way to go because in many cases we don't really even understand what these drugs are doing. But we hope with further research we can begin to unravel what these drugs are doing, and that will give us clues on places to look where we can intervene in the addiction cycle.